On vacation in Cabo and don't want to wreck your diet, we've got it. If you've got a flat top, a couple pans, we've got a low carb cottage cheese wraps with skirt steak that's vacation approved. Welcome to our vacation kitchen and Keto with Kenny. So today we're going to make some cottage cheese wraps. Really easy recipe there. That's just 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1 egg, and any seasonings you want, whether it be cumin, salt and pepper, seasoned salt. Maybe you want to throw in a little bit of cilantro, maybe a little bit of lime. Totally up to you. It's going to be easy. Since we're on vacation and we don't have anything but salt and pepper, that's all we're going to use. We also took, here's the ingredients right there. We've got a pre-marinated skirt steak. We're just gonna cut up some vegetables, get that going into the pot, get it all ready to roll so that when we're ready to cook off our cottage cheese wraps, we've got those ready, and then we'll feast. So let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and take our meat, our pre-marinated skirt steak. We're just gonna set it on its separate own cutting board. And just to make it easy, see how large it is. So we're gonna make it a little easier, and we're just going to cut it into 3 pieces. So these pieces we'll be able to cut up into strips and make into fajita-like strips. So what's gonna do, so we're just gonna place it right into the pan. We're gonna get that one going. I'm gonna rinse my hands. Step back over, take away our and start on our vegetables. So we're gonna start with the onions because those usually take the longest. And we're just gonna slice those into nice little pieces. We'll scoot those to the side. We're gonna take our red bell pepper and just cut into nice little slices there as well. Now that we've got our onions and bell peppers, we're gonna take our tomato and we're just gonna dice it into small little cubes as well. Just a little bit to go in there. Since we're on vacation, we want this to last a little bit longer. There's only 2 of us at the moment, but we're gonna make this so this should last us a couple meals. So the more vegetables we place into it, the better off we'll be. And jalapeno. We're not gonna use the whole thing. We want just a little bit of zing to it, but not so much that it burns our eyes every time we eat. And a little bit of cilantro. We're just gonna cut off a bit and just dice it up. Now, our skirt steak is already marinated, but we're gonna go ahead and take, for the authentic flavor of Mexico, because we're in Cabo, and we're going to put a whole lime. Just squeeze it right in. Or I'll wash my hands. So as our steak is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prep our cottage cheese wraps. So the blender not being used for margaritas, being used for cottage cheese wraps. We're gonna do 1 egg right in there. Rinse, and then we're going to estimate right about a cup. Unfortunately, I don't have any measuring spoons or cups in my villa, so we're going to guesstimate. So this is 380 grams, so we're gonna go, it looks like about 3/4 of a cup right there. We're gonna go ahead and add just a tad bit more. There we go. Rinse our spoon. Place our lid back on, and we're just gonna whip it till it's really nice and pliable. And there you are. You can see that that is really looks kind of like pancake batter. So that's the consistency we're looking for, because we're just gonna pour it into our pan over here. We're gonna go ahead and get it warm. We've just got a nice little skillet with a little bit of butter in. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that sucker on. And as our steak is cooking, we're just gonna move it around, making sure that it's getting all thoroughly cooked through. Because once it gets to a point that we're good with it, we're going to remove it, cut it up, and then we're gonna put our vegetables in to cook into the flavor drippings that are still left in the pan. That's what's gonna give us our flavor and set for it. So as we're heating and rolling through, we're gonna wait for a little bit. our skirt steak is starting to finish up cooking. So here's what she looks like. Right there. So what we're gonna do, still got some juice in there, still got some brown. We're gonna go ahead and take and place the skirt steak here on the cutting board as we switch in and pour all of our vegetables in here so that they'll start soaking up that juice, start sauteing up, and be really beautifully ready to go. Dropped a couple here, grab those. We're just gonna take the steak out while the vegetables finish sauteing up and soaking up those good juices. Oh, it smells good already. And while that's working through, we're gonna go ahead and finish up our cottage cheese wraps. And with our steak all cut up, we're gonna just pour it right back into our sauteing vegetables and work on our cottage cheese wraps. All right, so I know that you can only see part of it, but we've put a little bit of butter in our pan. We've got it nice and warm. We're gonna go ahead and give it a little bit higher heat, and we're just going to pour right in there. Just enough to coat it completely. Oh, already starting. And it is, it's gonna look kind of like a crepe pancake. I'll let you take a look at it right there. And that's what we want. We're just gonna let it cook through, bubble up. Once it gets nice and firm, we'll flip it so that we've got it brown on both sides, and we'll have a wrap ready to go. Gonna go ahead and give a little stir on our vegetables. Oh yes. My nonstick pan is sticking, so we may end up with cottage cheese, thick biscuits, maybe look a little more like naan and bread, but we'll still eat them. They're still gonna be delicious. Like I've said in the past, not everything works out exactly what you want. And if I was in my kitchen with my nonstick pan, who knows how nice it would have been. I also probably would have gone a little bit larger too for our wraps. But we're making do with what we can because we're in ketosis and on vacation and sticking to our diet as best we can, hitting those workouts, sunning, spoiling ourselves a little bit. Our cottage cheese wraps are not turning out exactly on the first one, but our skirt steak and vegetables has turned out perfect. So we're gonna let it concentrate cook just a little bit more so it'll pull all of those flavors back into the meat and everything along the lines. We're just gonna keep trying on our cottage cheese wrap here. Got one that's coming across. We'll let you take a look at it here in just a second. Like I said, it didn't turn out exactly the way I'd hoped, but we're not in my kitchen. So we're gonna take it as a win because it smells delicious. They're just not gonna turn into wraps. So we're gonna go ahead and just make them into like a little fritter, and we'll eat those along with our skirt steaks. So let me make a couple more up, and as soon as I've got those ready, we'll give it a taste, put it together. All right, our cottage cheese wraps definitely didn't turn out the way they were supposed to, so we're gonna set those to the side. We're gonna go ahead and show you. Look how wonderful this turned out though. This is going to be delicious. So we're just gonna portion some of this out. Vegetables and meat, we'll still be able to use our, look at that, but that's a little naked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our avocado and we're gonna put a couple slices right on top, give us some good healthy fats to go along with that. On vacation, but we're still taking care of ourselves. We are. There we are, cottage cheese, low carb cottage cheese fat wraps, clumps, but they're gonna be delicious with our skirt steak. So let's give it a try. So we're just gonna take this guy right here. I like cottage cheese. If you don't like the way cottage cheese tastes, you're not gonna like these, but they are definitely something that I can use together. Delicious. Taste the lime, the meat marinade that's already in prepackaged. Really good. All the vegetables in there, a little bit of those good fats. And like I said, they're still good. I love the char, I love the flavor. They're just not gonna be into a wrap. They're gonna be more like just a little eat along with it. So if you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button. It helps us out. Hit the notification so you don't miss anything that's coming. So the next recipe comes, maybe your recipe. On vacation, here's to health and happiness.